You know, when you're a husband and wife team or just a couple or whatever, or hey, if you're even riding solo on these large boats by yourself, this is well worth the money. I'm not a salesperson for any of these brands, but it is truly a game changer. Of course, you're working with a lot of blind spots and stuff like that. And what it is, you have control to all your thrusters, all your throttles, and when you're docking, it just makes your life a heck of a lot easier, and it's super cool too. You can go everywhere in a boat. Up here, I'm on the bow. And then when you're grabbing lines, it really makes it a lot easier. So